This is a quick tutorial on how to add a person as a contributor to your Wakelet collection. So first, log into Wakelet. It should look like this. You should have your login information here, and you should have your collection that you've created for your Genius project here. If you haven't created one, click Create a New Collection and title it with the topic for your Genius project. Click on your collection, and then you're going to see the word contributors pop up here. Click on contributors, and then you're going to share it via name or email. So select that on the right-hand side, and then you're going to type in my email address. It's jjaeger@rvusd.org. And it's going to tell you that that's a valid email if you typed it in properly. Make sure you spelled my name right, otherwise it won't work. Then you're going to click Add, and then you're going to click Send. And what that's going to do is it's going to give me an email in my email address, and I'm going to be able to open it, here's Charlie's, and accept the invite. Then what ends up happening is on Wakelet, when I go to my tab, I can go to my group collections. Weird. And I can see all of my collections, except that I'm clearly on the wrong account. So when I go to Wakelet, I can see group collections here. I don't know why it wasn't showing up on the other one. I'm on too many accounts right now. So I currently have collections from the people that are in my Group 8 collection, okay? So share your Wakelet with me. Then what happens when I find something online that I think will work for your research project, I can add it straight to your Wakelet so you can see the link.